Hi, this is Gigi. Welcome to our channel.
That's an awesome gift. I love it. It's a great gift to someone at any age, honestly. Chanel 5, it's amazing.
If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Hi, today we are going to open this nice Chanel box, and I have another one here, and this one, and this one. We are going to open them all. So if you want to see my other videos, please check my channel, and we are going to put here, there, somewhere all the other videos too. Ooh. Chanel gives away little beautiful kittens now. Nope, they don't. Bye, Leo. Hey, beautiful baby Leo. It's a good idea for a Christmas gift. The ribbon is beautiful. I wanted to talk about this. This is like they send it from Chanel. There is a barcode behind it. You scan with your smartphone and you can put a message to someone you love. Your girlfriend, your wife, your mom, yourself, whoever you want to buy this gift for, and then tell them, point the phone to the sky, and there is going to be a beautiful message with the stars. It's beautiful. We tried it. We loved it. So this is the envelope comes with it, and you know what I like most about Chanel, honestly? They put printed sticky papers inside the envelope, so if you want to return your purchase unopened, unused, it's very easy to return. I had some problems with my packages and I called Chanel. They are so attentive. Ladies working there, shout out to them. Hi, Lauren. They're really so nice. They're very helpful. More than Dior. If you call Dior, it's almost impossible to find someone. So when you're ordering from Chanel, make sure they're going to take care of you. They're onto their jobs. Awesome. Let's get going. Beautiful box. Beautiful ribbon. You open. I mean, presentation is awesome. This is so cute. I can't make this hairband to myself or someone. Look, beautiful, shiny, very Christmas, very beautiful gift to someone. Ta-da. There is a note. Let me see what they wrote to me. Oh, life is too short not to smell good. Great, beautiful. This is so nice, like old times when they wrote letters, they stamped. They used to put stamp on it. I always like it, so romantic. So you got a seal like that. Let's open this beautiful package. So what did I get this year? So this is number 5 Chanel Eau de Toilette. Like this. And these are the gifts they sent with it. Beautiful, nice black pouch. And I was talking about this earlier. So every one of them comes with it. It's beautiful. And Le Verdun Revolution de Chanel. It's a mascara. Very, very juicy. Oh, something else. Camellia Repair Mask. Something like that. I never used it. I'll try. We'll see how do I like. Ta-da! This is Chanel number 5. Like that. This is for your purse, to the vacation, to the airplane. You know, Chanel number 5 is very classic. Ooh, opening like this, closing. You just twist it. It's so cool, I love it. Chanel number 5 is very iconic, you know. So warm, so cuddly, sexy but calm. Like you can give this to your mom, to your girlfriend. It's not offensive. Somebody can use at the office or beautiful lunches. It's soft, it's nice, it's calm. The legends say, they asked Marilyn Monroe one day, what are you wearing at night for sleeping? She says, only Chanel 5, nothing else. So it's a sexy perfume for sure.
An example, what do you wear to bed? You wear a pajama top, the bottoms of the pajamas, or the nightgown, or what kind of... So I said Chanel number 5, because it's the truth. And yet I don't want to say nude, you know, but it's the truth.
It smells so good. Very yummy, very beautiful. So Gabrielle Chanel, we know her Coco Chanel. This is her first perfume. She ordered the people to make a perfume for her. So they come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they said, which one did you like? She said, I like number 5. And that's where the perfume's name comes from. How did you like the smell?
Oh wow, it really smells good. I never really appreciated this scent before, but smelling it on you, it's very beautiful.
You said something else.
Oh yeah, it's for sure sexy.
Okay, men approved ladies.
Hey.
And my husband really doesn't like perfumes that much. If he likes something, yeah. I mean, yeah, this perfume everybody described differently. It's like a mother's perfume and this and that. Is it reminds you of your mom?
No, not a bit.
Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!